Hi guys, on today's episode we're going to be opening this mystery package that just arrived. And if this is what I think it is, I am super excited. Now, time's a ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hi everyone, I'm Matt Johnson, your host of my YouTube channel Beer and Watchers, where I bring you the very best in beer news, beer reviews, no I don't, watch news, watch reviews and craft beer brews every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, please do consider subscribing. You can do that by clicking on the subscribe link over there to the right of the screen, or if you're watching this on your mobile device below this video. I would love you all to subscribe to my channel and become a part of my Beer and Watchers family. Today I am unpacking this. This package just arrived in the mail. And if this is what I think it is, and I think it is, then this is super crazy exciting. I can't wait to look inside. Now, I'm feeling pretty good today. I've got my TSO dual time on my wrist that tells me it's just about 12:40 in the afternoon here in Vancouver, and it tells me it's about 20 to 9 at my homeland in the UK where all my family is. I'm also wearing a brand new t-shirt bought for me by my wife. Aren't I lucky? I've freshly shaved the head. I've freshly oiled the beard. I am excited to open this, so without further ado, let's swing this camera around. Oh, and before we do, by the way, this is Beer and Watchers, and today I've got, well, water, H2O, hardly beer. Well, I mean, that's actually beer before they add the yeast and all that stuff, right? I mean, it starts as water. I'm drinking this because it's kind of early in the day, 12:30 on a Tuesday. You know, I'm not really into a beer right now. So sorry, guys, we're going to call this Water and Watchers. As we call it in England, Council Pop comes out the tap. All right, let's swing this camera around and take a look at this bad boy. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this is. And I believe that this is a watch all the way from Australia. That's what I think. It does say Australia on the label. I've kind of crossed it out just for security purposes, as it were. I got my trusty scissors. We're gonna cut this open. You know, I feel like a kid at Christmas. I always used to love being a kid and getting, like, well, not just at Christmas, getting packages and mail through the post. Just really exciting. And now I get these things sent to me from all over the world, and this is super exciting. So I've got hold of the box inside. Let's take it out and see what it is. Oh, what is that? I have no idea what that is. It's a black sleeve with a number 10 on it. The plot thickens. There it is. This is exactly what I thought it was, guys. Look at that. It's embossed in silver on the case. Now, Mass Watchers in Australia is owned by Matthew Francis, and it's called Mass Watchers because it stands for Matthew and Son. If you go to his website, you'll see a picture of Matthew there with his son, and it's very cool that he's named it after him and his son. I think that's kind of a neat thing. I found these guys online, and I contacted Matthew and asked him if I could review one of his watches, and I was expecting him to send me a watch which I'd review and then return. But he said, not a problem, love to do that. Choose the one you want, I'll send it to you and you can keep the watch, which is absolutely incredible. Well, I'm excited. Let's open this up and see. Oh, okay, there's a little bag in there. Also this, now this is cool. These are available on Matthew's website. And by the way, I'll put a link to Matthew's website right here. You can also find that link in the description below this video as well. It's masswatch.com. But this is something Matthew sells on his website in the accessories section. This is an all-in-one watch tool. This is really nice. It's like a little torpedo bullet kind of thing. Stainless steel, little hole through there so you can attach it to your keychain. And you open this up, and inside on one end you've got a little flathead screwdriver. On the other end here, you've got a little pin pusher. So thanks so much for that, Matthew. And Matthew, if you're watching this, thanks so much for sending me this watch. Very much appreciated. You're a really good guy. I am not going to review this watch right now. This is just an unboxing. Today's Wednesday. Come back on Friday and I'll do a full review of this watch. But it comes in this little, I guess you call this like a canvas bag. It's also got the Mass logo on a leather patch kind of stitched to the front. I've never been so excited because if you go to masswatch.com, you'll see what I mean about these watches. They truly are stunning and very, very colorful. We'll open this little watch roll up here. I love this. This is very, very cool. And inside here, we've got a couple of things. We've got, first of all, I believe it comes with 2 straps. So we've got this kind of a canvas strap there. And I also notice, if you look closely here, you'll notice that it's got easy push pins, easy quick release pins, which is great. I love seeing these. It's so easy to just pop that little button there. It's also got the Mass watch logo there on the tang buckle. So that's the first strap it comes with. It comes with 2 straps, and the second one that it comes with here is actually on the watch itself. Now in here we've got a little warranty card. You'll see that it's got the 2-year warranty, expires October 2022. The Irukandji dive watch. Irukandji is basically named after after a jellyfish that exists off I believe the northeast coast of Australia. It comes in lots of different colors. This one is the tentacle purple that I chose. And you'll notice here it says crown 410. That's because you can choose to have the crown at the 4 o'clock position or the 10 o'clock position. The 4 o'clock position, kind of like a Seiko, which is kind of appropriate because these watches have the Seiko NH35 movement in them. The 10 o'clock position is more unusual, but that's what I chose. And by the way, there on the front, you've got all of Matthew's details, his website, email, contact details, Instagram page, Mass Watches, and Facebook, Mass Space Watches. I encourage you to go check these guys out on there. Let's take a look at this. Now you can see the beautiful color coming through the bag. I mean, how cool is that? This is the tentacle purple. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. These watches, the Irukandjis, come in a whole bunch of colors. They come in reef blue, they come in stinger pink, deadly black, sea green, starfish orange, and this one, which is the tentacle purple. The case has got this really cool shape, kind of tapers up into the bezel, then tapers up into the dome crystal to kind of reflect the shape of a jellyfish. Now I'm just going to pull some of this plastic off here to give us a little bit closer look. Hopefully I can do this quite quickly on camera. Really, really well made. Look at that. It's got a milled clasp inside, sapphire crystal, water resistance to 200 meters. Everything about this watch is just premium quality. It really, really is. Comes with 2 straps, the watch roll. There it is, guys. There is the watch. It's got kind of this, I forget what he calls this, chain link bracelet, but this is really solid. It's got a lot of weight to it. There's the little jellyfish on the back. That is the Irukandji jellyfish, sapphire, water resistance 200 meters, auto NH35 movement, stainless steel Irukandji. There it is. Just stunning. And the bezel on this, wow. That is a ceramic bezel. That turns beautifully. Oh my gosh, that is so, so nice. Very little play in that, if at all. I ordered it with the 10 o'clock crown just because I thought it was unusual. Yeah, we're going to have to set this to the right time. I think if you pull it out one time, that is going to, yeah, that changes the date. No problems there. I think it's the 5th today, or is it the 6th? Well, you're watching this on Wednesday, but I'm actually filming this on a Tuesday. I'm going to put the 6th. We're coming up to 1 o'clock. That crown action's beautiful. I like, as I say, that it's got the 10 o'clock crown because it's just different, right? Why go with the norm? Why do things like everybody else? And I'm going to put that on the wrist just to finish off this unboxing video, just to have a quick look what it looks like. But it's heavy, it's beautiful. That is a beautiful, beautiful watch. I'm probably going to have to do some adjustments on this to make it fit because I'm rocking a 7.5-inch wrist. Yeah, there's a lot of room in there, as you can see. I'm going to have to take some links out of this, make it fit real nice. But there it is. The Mass Irukandji dive watch. Beautiful ceramic bezel, jellyfish shape. Really, really nice, guys. Big thank you again to Matthew Francis for sending this along to me. I really can't say thank you enough. Well, there it is, guys. The Irukandji dive watch from Mass Watches in Australia. It is a stunner. Now, this was just the unboxing video. I'm going to do a full review of this watch, all the specs, all the specifics. We might even try and take the case back off as well and take a look at the NH35 Seiko movement inside. All that is going to happen on the next episode, which will be Friday. I'm going to get this all sized so it fits my wrist beautifully for Friday, and then we're going to jump into the full review of this watch. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you again on Friday. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below, and please leave me a thumbs up. It means the world to me, guys. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen it yet, click on this video right here. That one's a good one. And also click on the Bira Watches logo right there to subscribe. Take care. I'm Matt Johnson. See you Friday. Bye for now.